All right, here we go. This is PYT 330. Oops, went right back. There we go. PYT 330. Again, these are the boosters or blaster boxes, whatever you want to call them. 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box. Good luck to everybody in this one. This is our first of the 23-24 Monopoly breaks. I think we have some of last year's. We should do a mixer. We have the booster boxes from last year because they had the blasters and the boosters or whatever. I think we got some of last year's boosters left. Of course, if we hit any of the Monopoly Man cards, those will get random to someone in the break. There's our empty 3 boxes. Just flare on the last numbered parallel. Seemed like we seem to get a few numbered parallels per box, but we'll find out here. Good luck. Has anybody actually played the Monopoly game? Mikal Bridges, Jason Tatum, Klay Thompson, Keontae George, rookie right there. We have Jabari Smith. There's Victor Wembanyama. We got Kawhi Leonard, Damian Lillard, John Morant, Purple Wave Domantas Sabonis for Sacramento. So we'll say color parallels because I don't know if they're actually numbered. So we'll say the last color parallel. That one had an extra card. This one feels thin, like it's missing a couple cards. Yeah. Vucevic, Drew Holiday. So I don't know, unless that had 6 cards in it. We got Durant. Valil again. Steph Curry. Taylor Hendricks. Cam Whitmore, Devin Vassell, Jarris Walker, and Jaime Jaquez on the Purple Wave for the Heat. Last pack of booster number 1. Ooh, what do we got there? We got Devin Booker, Jaren Jackson Jr., Zach LaVine, like gold mojo looking Desmond Bain. That one is going to be numbered out of 500. 45 out of 500. And that did not look like there we go. 45 out of 500 on the Desmond Bain. Let's get these top loaded here. We'll move on to box number 2. Up next after this one is Top Stadium Club. We did have a couple spots left for that one if anybody wants to grab them, if they're still available. Like I said, we had spots available once we went live. I'll update that list after this break. So if you've already taken the spots, we'll get that added to the list. And if there are spots remaining, now's the time to get them. Like I said, most of the baseball breaks had at least 1 or 2 spots left. A few of them had a handful of spots left, so make sure you check out those upcoming breaks. Links pinned to the top of the chat. Here's our next pack. There's Anthony Black. Aaron Gordon, Jimmy Butler, Anthony Davis, Domantas Sabonis. We got Hawkins again. Doncic, Zion Williamson. LaMelo Ball. Jay Gilgeous, Puffkin, Julius Randle on the purple for the Knicks. We have Jet Howard rookie for the Magic. Steph Curry. Grady Dick. And a Benedict Mathurin. That is out of 10. 4 out of 10 on the Benedict Mathurin. What parallels this like a shimmer of some sort. Nice looking card right there. Out of 10 for the Pacers. Has anybody seen if any of the Wemby 1-on-1s have been hit yet out of this? Cool to pull one of those. There's LeBron James, De'Aaron Fox, Bam Adebayo, Darius Garland. Probably 10 or so $1,000 card. Rudy Gobert, Noah Clowney, Emmanuel Quickly, DeMar DeRozan on the purple. Let's go to the Bulls. All right, here we go with the last of the boosters. Good luck. Your guesses again for the player on that last color parallel. Pascal Siakam, Russell Westbrook, Anthony Simons, Desmond Bane, Donovan Mitchell, Anthony Edwards, Mikal Bridges, Jordan Hawkins on the purple rookie. There's Jason Tatum, Klay Thompson, Keontae George, and Jabari Smith. 3 packs left. Victor Wembanyama, another base rookie there for the Spurs. Kawhi Leonard, Damian Lillard, Ja Morant. The last 2 packs up next, guys, is our Stadium Club Blasters. There's Vucevic, Drew Holiday, Kevin Durant, and Nick Smith Jr. for the Hornets. Purple wave. And the last pack of the break. Wow. Steph Curry, Taylor Hendricks, Cam Whitmore rookies. All right, that does it for this one. Let's recap. And then we'll move on to Stadium Club. We got the Victor Wembanyama, Nick Smith on the purple, Jordan Hawkins rookie purple, DeMar DeRozan purple, Julius Randle. Then the Benedict Mathurin. This is going to be numbered out of 10 for the Pacers. It was 4 out of 10 on the Benedict Mathurin. We got another Wemby, Sabonis, Jaime, Desmond Bane out of 500 on this one right here. 45 out of 500 right there. All right, that does it for Monopoly. That's always a fun rip right there. We'll be having more of those in the days to come. Looks like Stadium Club, we are full on.